This is Mawimbi Resort in Taveta County, Taveta Town, just next to the border between Kenya and Tanzania. So what brings us here? Of course, is this one here. JiPOS, the smart hotel ERP. Of course, the best in East Africa. Best in Kenya, best in East Africa. Yeah, so today we've just taken our breakfast and we're about to begin training to make sure that these guys take full advantage of JiPOS.
I don't know whether you see Mount Kilimanjaro on the other side.
Hey, the roof itself is a mountain, so I cannot see it.
That is called a good sweat.
After the tough questions, all the questions are not tough today.
Never tough. Up to this point, I don't think there's a tough question.
Okay.
Hakuna mkate ngumu mbele ya cha. Have you ever heard that phrase? There is no hard bread crust or crumbs. You take
in the face of tea.
in the face of tea.
How are the students?
Good.
Okay.
So good to go. Just breaking for some lunch, some time to comprehend what we've learned. Then we move to the next phase. So far, under control, everything's perfectly fine. And we are here to tomorrow partner and help.
What do we expect in the afternoon?
Inventory and procurement, reporting and accounting. That's it. Because if you do that, there's nothing else to do.
Fantastic.